How to send message to a contact in Telegram app. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now in order to send message to a contact in Telegram application, first of all you need to have the application. So install it from Google Play Store if you're on your Android, or from the App Store if you're on your iOS device. Now once you have the Telegram application, open up the application and make sure to log in with your contact number. Once you're logged in, now to send a message to a contact, at the bottom right corner there you will see a pencil icon. Tap on it. After that, you will be able to view all the contacts from your mobile number who are using the Telegram. So from here you can choose any contact and then simply send the message to. For example, I have this contact right here. After that, you can simply type in your message, whatever you would like to send it to this contact, and then simply tap on send. So with that, your message is now sent to the contact through Telegram. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.